न उठा जज्बाए खुर्शीद से एक बरगे गुल तक भी, ये रफत की तमन्ना है कि ले उड़ती है शबनम को। द स्corching heat of sun can't even bloom a single flower, but the desire in the heart of a mountain dew enables it to move up towards the sky. It means that other people can't motivate you. You must motivate your own self. And if you motivate your own self, no matter how small you are, you will move up, you will rise. फिरा करते नहीं मजरूह उल्फत फिक्र दरमा में, फिरा करते नहीं मजरूह उल्फत फिक्र दरमा में, ये जख्मी आप पैदा कर लेते हैं अपने मरहम को। Those who have wounds of love don't go around asking others for some kind of medicine. They create their own medicine. They invent their own medicine. What that means is, when you have a problem and it's a problem that humanity faces, and you want to solve it for the sake of humanity, then don't go around asking other people for help. Go out and look for solutions yourself, and you will find the solutions. मोहब्बत के शरर से दिल सरापा नूर होता है, मोहब्बत के शरर से दिल सरापा नूर होता है, जरा से बीच से पैदा रियाज़े तूर होता है। This love for humanity is a spark which will enlighten your heart, and with this little seed you will be able to raise a whole garden of love. In other words, create love for humanity, create empathy within yourself, and you will see that people around you, they will feel that love and they will come close to you, and together you will become a blooming garden.